7 Natural Remedies for Menstrual Cramps Menstruation is a natural part of a woman's life, but for those who get menstrual cramps, it can be a tough time. Even though cramps are not usually a reason to worry, they can stop you from doing regular activities if they are very bad. A woman suffering from menstrual cramps will feel pain in the lower stomach, which can widen to the lower back and thighs. These cramps will usually lessen after the first 2 to 3 days of the period. Some women get cramps right before the start of the cycle too. Some things may make a woman more likely to suffer from menstrual cramps, such as reaching puberty at an early age, genetics, lots of blood flow during periods, and doing unhealthy things like smoking, not getting enough exercise, drinking a lot of alcohol, and using illegal drugs. After childbirth, some women will suffer less from menstrual cramps, or not at all. How can you lessen the pain from cramps? There are some medicines to ease the pain of menstrual cramps. There are also some simple ways to lessen pain from cramps, which may work better, and can even stop cramps from coming in the first place. Heat. The easiest way to help menstrual cramps is to put heat on the lower stomach. Heat helps loosen the tightening muscles in the uterus. Put a heating pad on the lower part of your stomach and back. You can even use a regular plastic bottle filled with hot water. Keep it on until it feels better. You can also soak a towel in hot water, squeeze it out, and then heat it in the microwave for a minute. Put it on your lower stomach until the towel cools off. Use it every few minutes until it doesn't hurt anymore. Taking a hot shower can help ease the pain too. Ginger helps ease the pain of menstrual cramps. It can also fight the tired feeling that comes with premenstrual syndrome, and can make irregular periods come on time. Boil a piece of grated ginger in a cup of water for 5 minutes. Drain it and add honey and lemon juice. Drink this tea 3 times a day during your menstrual cycle, or add ginger to your food, or suck some ginger candies. Basil has acid that lessens pain, which soothes menstrual cramps. Add 1 tablespoon of basil leaves to 1 cup of boiling water. Cover it tightly, and then let it cool. Drink this every few hours to ease cramps. You can also crush some basil leaves to get juice. Add 2 teaspoons of this juice to 1 cup of warm water. Drink this tea 3 times a day, when you're in pain. Or, try adding fresh basil leaves to your food. Cinnamon can stop muscle tightening, blood clotting, and swelling to help ease menstrual pain. To make cinnamon tea, mix 1/4 teaspoon of cinnamon powder in a cup of hot water. Let the tea sit for 5 minutes, and then add honey and drink it. To stop cramps, drink 2 to 3 cups of cinnamon tea 1 or 2 days before your period starts. Take a cup of warm water and mix in a 1/2 teaspoon cinnamon and 1 tablespoon of honey. Drink it 3 times on the first day of your period to stop pain. Fennel. The antispasmodic, phytoestrogenic, and anti-inflammatory properties of fennel can help loosen the muscles in the uterus, which will soothe cramping and pain. Add 1 teaspoon of fennel seeds to a cup of hot water. Let the mixture boil on a low flame for 5 minutes. Take it off the flame and mix it well. Add 1 teaspoon of honey, and mix well. Drink this tea 2 times a day, 3 days before your cycle starts. Keep drinking it for as long as you need it to ease the pain. Make the tea hot so it should work better. Blackstrap Molasses. Because of the many vitamins and minerals in blackstrap molasses, it helps stop blood clots and soothes the muscles of the uterine walls. This lessens the cramps during menstruation. Add 1 to 2 teaspoons of blackstrap molasses to a cup of warm milk. Drink it as soon as you start having cramps, and continue until they stop. Chamomile tea relaxes the uterus and eases muscle tightening that causes pain during menstruation. Boil 1 cup of water, and pour it into a cup with a chamomile tea bag. Cover it and let it soak for 10 to 15 minutes. Squeeze out the tea bag and add lemon juice or honey for taste. Drink at least 2 cups of this tea every day, during the week before your period. Besides trying these cures, you can also do yoga and cardiovascular exercises to ease menstrual cramps. Also, drink a lot of water. If you have very bad cramps, ask your doctor what to do.